Okay, once again, mga bossing, welcome back to Boy Bukas channel. And this time we have another thrift store toy haul. So we got, I so I think today is a lucky day. I got a lot of like a vintage toys that coming from a comics character. So definitely, if it's from comics character, it's created by McFarlane's Toys. So what are we waiting for? So let's take it out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, maybe the first one is just the comics for now. Let's see. And I think I got really lucky on this one, though the quality is not that good anymore, but still that's pretty cool. Okay, just I got it without the plastic and the backing board, so I just put it in right away just to keep it, because it's already not in a good condition. But I think this one's still a great haul for $2, right? So it's a number 18 of the Invaders. So yeah, so still in good quality, but just for $2, why not, right? And some cool Exo Manowar here. So I tried to get all of them just for 75 cents. So we got the Vengeance Part 1 of 3. So okay, so featuring Solar, so why not? Guest starring Turok and like a dead of some characters here. So I think this one is pretty cool. Pretty cool toy haul. Oops, what's just that? Right, so what do you guys think? I'm not too sure about any like an expensive Exo Manowar comics release, but I'm still happy to get some of them. And this one, it's pretty funny because they get it from Toy Traders for the clearance of $12.95. So there's a pre-comics of Omega, so I guess you only get the comics, not too sure. So he only get it from the Toy Traders for $15, almost $15. But they sell it for $12. But still, why not? I still get it. So I think maybe this one is also so hard to find now, right? So when this was released, so 2014. Yeah, so you get some cool Canadian Omega Flights comics here. So okay. So I think, yeah, this is not really open yet. The only thing is that one is kind of loose. So yeah, so Arachne, consider as the second Spider-Woman. Some scroll multi-pack. So those are the release they do. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. This one with all those 3 characters. Yeah. So that is nice. So this one's pretty Canadian. So I'm not too sure about the characters, but I will surely have a look at it and check it out. So we got 2 more toys here, so let's take it out. So yeah, basically it's both characters by Choro, the girl of Choro. And this one, oh, okay, I thought they're both the same. So this $6 and $8, and why not? So okay, so Okay, still ready. So if you want to complete, you got the Lita Necrosa and Wretchin, the sisters of darkness, the Lita action figure dragon. Okay, so I thought it's like McFarlane's because it's from the characters, from the comics characters created by Joe Choro, and it's Sisters of Darkness. So it's created by Skybolt's Toys, hobby toys for the hobby market. So there you go. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool characters here. It was on sale 1998. So this also released 1998. So it's considered as a vintage toys. This sold for $6. Used to be $8, becomes $6. Helena Mega Action Figure. It's another from Skybolt Toys. I wonder what's happened to them now, right? I hope they're still doing some cool toys. Okay, not too sure. No, I don't think this is Chodo. So probably not. Okay, so this one's created by, okay, maybe Joseph Sikowski. Yeah, I think they're still pretty insane. Look at those characters. Like if you're into demons looking characters, this one is really cool. So, okay, so that's it, mga bossing. Another cool toy haul from my favorite SPCA thrift store here in Richmond, BC, British Columbia, Canada. So once again, thank you for watching, my bossing. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.
Don't wanna cry about it. Let's finish what we started.